welcome back to Somerset Prep Homestead.
Today is Friday, December 13th, 2024.
I'm Marco Castro.
And I'm Lucas Saavedra.
And you're watching Python TV.
I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Hello Pythons, welcome back to Python TV.
Pythons, if you didn't see the Winter Spectacular yesterday, come see it today.
It was amazing. Now here are your daily announcements.
Ella Marie Robles is a teen musician who refuses to let anything stop the beat of her passion for music.
Since I've been young, I've always really loved music. My grandparents would always play classical music for me, and that's what got me into playing instruments. And I started with piano, then from there it just skyrocketed, and now I play everything I play. I play saxophone, alto sax, bari sax, guitar, bass, piano, cello, accordion, vibraphone. I sing. I think that's it.
Ella's talents are put to use in her band, Cosmic Lollipops.
I think the biggest growth area for Ella hasn't so much been musically, but it's been personally. As most artists are, we are our worst critics, and the negative self-talk can be very damaging to our social, emotional, and development. And it's even worse with young musicians.
Another challenge that has been a little bit hard for me is I have an auditory processing disorder that makes it hard for me to differentiate between people speaking and other sounds. So 80% of the time when someone's talking to me and we aren't in a quiet place, I don't know what's going on. And it's led to a lot of social isolation for me because not everybody wants to repeat themselves 5 times when they're talking to me. And music has sort of been a way of coping through that.
Auditory processing disorder makes it difficult for the brain to understand sounds, even though hearing is normal. People with APD may struggle to follow directions, recognize words, or understand speech in noisy places. APD affects 1 in 20 people.
Her passion for music is so big. When she was diagnosed, I didn't know if it was going to affect her. We didn't know what would change in her life because she couldn't decipher sounds and people speaking. So it's really hard for a musician to kind of work with music in that capacity.
It's tough because you see her grow up and you prepare them to leave.
I would say Ella's future in music is that Ella is the future of music.
Ella is turning up the volume on her dreams and using music to prove that with a little rhythm and a lot of heart, anything is possible. For Python TV, I'm Ari Williams, reporting.
That's it for today, Pythons. Remember to stay positive, be kind, and make the most out of every day.
Let's make the school year one for the books. We'll be back tomorrow morning news and updates. Have a great day. Go Pythons!